Good evening, friends. My name is Gaurav Tekriwal, and I represent my organization, the Vedic Maths Forum India. So, I want to tell you how I actually got started in this unique field of my profession, which is promoting the concepts of Vedic mathematics. So, everybody has a beginning somewhere in their career. Somebody takes a job, somebody starts out helping their parents or taking an internship. So everybody has to earn a living. And I started way back 20 years ago when I was in college. And that was the time when I came to know about a concept called Vedic mathematics. It was the first time I heard about it from a book which was given to me by my mother when I was preparing for my entrance examination called CAT. It was that time when I first came to know about the concepts of Vedic mathematics from the book that my mom gave me for CAT. By the way, in case you do not know, CAT is the Management Entrance Examination or the Common Admission Test to get into a B school, a business school in India. Is taken by over 2 lakh plus people annually, and people simply uh, have hard time dealing with English, dealing with mathematics, dealing with logical reasoning to understand, to crack the examination, right? It's pretty difficult. And so I was working on my calculation skills, and then my mom gifted me the book Vedic Mathematics, and it was from there that I started learning about these skills. I started doing research more on Vedic maths. There was hardly any website at that point in time. The concepts were pretty simple, straightforward, and I started sharing my concepts, which I learned from the book, in with my friends, family members, especially kids. I love those systems. You could actually multiply a two-digit number with a two-digit number in split seconds. Kind of amazed me. And it amazed me more that it was from our own ancient Indian heritage, from the Vedas. And not anybody knew about it in my circle of friends and family. That was the most challenging part of it, that nobody had heard of this amazing system. And I saw an opportunity there. As an entrepreneur, I saw an opportunity there to take this concept of Vedic maths global. But how would I do that? It was a limited world at that point of time because internet was just opening up, and people did not know about the internet also, so leave alone buying a service on the internet in the year 2000. So it was a new beginning, and I saw this opportunity in this amazing concept of Vedic mathematics. I fell in love with it. And whenever I used to show the concepts to anybody else, they should love it more. So it started giving me more confidence that yes, I can take the system global. But to go from point A to point B, uh, it's not always a linear path. There's always ups and downs in life. And as luck would have it, okay, I could not crack my CAT examination. Okay, I failed miserably at it. But there were some other concerns. I got into some other B schools. I did not pick up the offer because I wanted to do something of my own at that point of time. So I skipped my B school because the finances also at home. That was a challenge. I skipped my B school, and I was sitting there and thinking of ideas, one of which was Vedic maths. So, as luck would have it, I started teaching my friends in my coaching center where I was preparing for CAT. And from one friend to other, the word started spreading. And one fine day, I get a call. This is in 2000, 2001, that point of time, okay, 20 years ago. So it was around that point in time that people started noticing the skills which I had, and I got a call from a school principal in Kolkata. In that call, I was asked by the principal to give a talk to the students of the school. It was a premier school in Kolkata, and I got a call, and I was thinking that can I take this up? Would I be doing justice? Because I was just a 20-year-old at that point in time. I did not know if I would be doing any justice to the students. So I denied. I said, I'm a fresher. I do not know how to address about 200 people of your school where I have not spoken in front of 20 people. But as luck would have it, I went there to the school to promote the concepts of Vedic math in front of 200 students. I prepared a PowerPoint presentation and shared with the students. The students loved it. But I must admit, I did make a lot of mistakes in that presentation. Okay? I made a lot of mistakes and at times got corrected also. That one day, it was my first workshop ever on Vedic maths. The next day, it was in the papers. School principal had invited certain sections of the media to come and cover the event because an event of 200 students for Vedic maths was never done in history of Kolkata. Perhaps it was the first workshop on Vedic mathematics. The next day, the media covered it, and one thing led to the other. I started getting more calls to do workshops on Vedic maths from Kolkata. And slowly, it started picking up. I did a public workshop as well, started organizing things, started visiting schools, and then the internet thing happened. I started posting on YouTube, which was founded in 2004, 2005, and then magic started happening. And right now, sitting in 21 to 2021, we have done a lot of progress promoting the concepts of Vedic math. So that is what the beginning was. That's how I got started. Every starting, I must tell you, is small. You can't expect to hit a home run in the first go. Okay, it's small. The life it will be challenging as well if it's especially a new concept. So you guys need to be patient and be more hopeful of the future coming in. So that was a little bit about my story of how I got started and who got onto the field and started promoting the concept. So if you like the video, I would like you to share it, comment on it, and if you have questions right now, I'd be happy to take it up and answer any of your questions which you may have. So you can type in your questions, and I will certainly be happy to answer you. Okay, so thank you, Faisal, for that amazing comment that you like the journey, and you are a part of my journey too. We did some amazing workshops together in Silvassa earlier the last year, and it was fun filled working and doing workshops on Vedic math with you, Faisal. So that's it from my side today. Very short video. I'm keeping it very crisp. And if you liked it, please comment and share and tell me how you had your own beginning. How did you began your journey into entrepreneurship or as part of your job? Thank you so very much. Like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. This is Gaurav Tekriwal signing off, making maths fun.